So, when it comes to creativity, my belief is that creativity can be infused in all aspects of your life. And one of those aspects is in doodles and drawings. Through doodles and drawing exercises, you will be able to not only think more creatively, generate new ideas, but also quicken your pace when it comes to thinking outside the box, coming up with something different than what you started with. I don't want you to focus on making sure that your doodle or drawing is perfect. I want you to focus on the idea, on not censoring yourself and coming up with a new potential idea for a future drawing project. Now, just because this is a creative thinking course dealing with drawing does not mean that it can't generate ideas for your next writing project, for your next poem, for your next sculpture idea. So, as you go through each exercise, I want you to focus on keeping an open mind, not censoring yourself that just because you drew this object or came up with this drawing idea means that it can only stay on paper. Challenge yourself mentally and always brainstorm on how your exercise result can be used in different aspects of your life. I know from firsthand experience that just because I am doodling in my sketchbook does not mean that it has to stay there. I have gotten a lot of different sketches that have turned into a pillowcase, turned into a poem, or were incorporated in my craft projects. So just keep in mind and don't be so hard on yourself, especially if you're someone that is just starting out drawing and doodling while boosting your creativity.